Welcome back, Elock Nation. If this is your first time here, welcome. In today's video, I'm sharing the best Dollar Tree gardening items for 2026 that are simply too good to pass up. Okay, I see they've already got their Valentine's items out, but that's not what we're here for. Yes, this is a good sign. Whenever I see seeds, I know everything's going to be okay. If you're looking to invest in something, invest in gardening seeds. Growing from seed is a cost-effective way to produce high-quality crops. I think I'm going to go ahead and pick up some of these chives. They boost immunity. They also support heart and bone health. I remember when these seeds were sold in a 4-pack for $1.25. Now they're 3 for $1.50. Still a good bargain. They've got vegetable seeds, flower seeds, herb seeds. Get here quick because they go really fast. Ooh, cilantro, one of my favorite herbs to eat and cook with. I see melons, pumpkin. Nasturtiums act as pest repellents, especially for those aphids. They also attract pollinators and suppress weeds as ground cover. Stackable planters, a must-have item. Popular for seed starting and vertical gardens. 3-section planter comes in assorted colors. Great option for gardeners in a small space or urban spaces. Another popular item that sells out really fast. These hanging planters are everything. So cute. I love the fun colors. I picked up several last year. I really like this hot pink color, really stylish. And I love that they already have the drainage hole there, so you don't have to worry about grabbing a drill or anything to do that. In my opinion, too good to pass up. The Dollar Tree has seed starting essentials. I love these small whiskey barrel planters, really cute. Drainage holes already there. And yes, I'm taking a few home with me because they may not be here when I get back. Two-inch Jiffy pots, they come in a 12-pack. Just add water and your seeds. I think these rolling plant trolleys are the best find. My location has them in 3 different colors, and they're great for moving plants around without having to pick them up. Your back will thank you. I saw online where someone used them for Easter decorations. Great product, excellent value. The Dollar Tree has lots of planters to choose from, including these self-watering plastic plant pots. I love the 3 neutral colors. I love this style of planter as well. It also has a really sturdy feel. They're available in 4 assorted colors: white, blue, cream, and black. Lightweight indoor and outdoor portable wave planter. I purchased several of these last year, the Garden Collection decorative concrete garden stones. I love the messages on them. Be your best. My happy place. If you need a metal hanging plant bracket, check out your Dollar Tree. Available in black and white. The Garden Bell plant cloche is definitely too good to pass up. I have these in my garden. I use them every year. They're amazing. I place these on top of my plants to provide protection and to keep my plants healthy and undamaged during the winter. Bring a beautiful touch of decor to your garden and home. Metal bee bobbleheads. They are super cute, assorted among 3 designs. If you love a pop of color and you like purple, here you go. The spring garden decor hanging welcome signs are back this year. Too good to pass these up. These clay pots come in two different sizes, a 2-pack and the smaller one, a 3-pack. Get your hands on these pots right away. These plant clips are definitely one of my favorite items to purchase each year. My goodness, flowers make me smile. Come on here, spring. The Dollar Tree has name brand potting mix and plant food. You know the name. I've never seen these pruners before. This pruning saw can help maintain small plants, bushes, and branches. Cool, let me know if you own one. Solar lighting, a way to my heart. I love them because they're decorative as well as functional. So if you want to bring light to your garden or lawn at dusk, grab some solar lights. This design here is $1.50, a great way to brighten walkways. Uses sunlight to charge the batteries, automatically illuminating at dusk. Excellent for safety and ambiance. Get them before they go. The flower pot huggers are really adorable. I purchased a few last year. They're still hanging tough. The mushroom garden stakes are back this year. Cultivator and hoe, pause on that. This is actually pretty sturdy. I'm really surprised. Garden collection metal birdhouse with hook. These are so cute. The only thing I would be concerned about is metal in the summertime. I'm not sure if any bird would enjoy that. Ouch. A penny for your thoughts. This is so adorable. A bobblehead squirrel. Shout out to my friend Mike. These birdhouses are so stinking cute. Both of my favorite colors. I sure hope you're finding some serious garden inspiration, even while on a budget. Step into the enchanted world of fairy gardens. I love decorating my garden. These pieces have lasted throughout all 4 seasons. If you don't like getting your hands dirty, there are plenty of garden collection gloves in various colors and patterns to choose from. Be kind to yourself as well as others. We are all going through something. See you next time. If you enjoy the content, please subscribe to the channel. Find something you love and have fun doing it. Thanks for watching.